Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Travel Tech. So we finally have the winner for the free giveaway contest, the one lucky winner who is going to win a free Nexdigitron Ace 2 GPS dashcam. But before I announce the actual winner, I really need to thank you guys for participating in this contest, for making this contest a successful one. To all those who have been following my videos, to all those who have been commenting on my videos, a huge thank you to you. And do not worry in case you didn't win the contest this time, because I'll be conducting a new giveaway contest as soon as this one ends, and this time the prize is going to be even more bigger and you probably might win a StarWiz 2 powered dashcam as the grand prize in the next giveaway contest. Well, I'll be providing all the details of the next giveaway contest pretty soon, but let's now focus on the current one, the contest which we just finished. And the winner of the contest, the number one winner, is Amol. Yes, Amol, huge congratulations to you. You just won yourself a new Nexdigitron Ace 2 dashcam, and you can get this pretty soon from me. Of course, you need to connect with me on my Facebook DM. You just need to send me a direct message on Facebook and we can make sure you get your prize pretty soon. Well, of course, the top winner gets the Nexdigitron Ace 2 dashcam, but what about the next four? Not four, the 5 winners. Yes, I'm considering the top 5 winners other than the grand prize winner to give away a special 10% coupon for the Nexdigitron Ace 2 GPS variant. Yes, all these top 5 people will receive a 10% coupon, and you can use this coupon to buy the Nexdigitron Ace 2 GPS variant for yourself with a special 10% discount which nobody else is going to get. So before I actually announce the top 5 winners, a huge thanks to Nexdigitron for sponsoring this giveaway. Hopefully they'll sponsor some more giveaways in the future too. Also guys, do remember that if you are interested in checking out or purchasing dashcams, you can always head to the nexdigitron.com website. They are the authorized sales and service partners for DDPi and 70Mac, and along with providing you sales, you also get a service support. All products you purchase from the Nexdigitron website will carry a 1-year warranty and will be eligible for service support since they have a dedicated service center located at Pune. So do go ahead and check out the nexdigitron.com website in case you're looking for a dashcam in India. So that being said, let's now announce the remaining top 5 winners of the 10% coupon discount. The first place goes to Utkarsh Kaushik, followed by Ram Patil. The third place comes to Murray, the fourth place is held by Routh, and the last place for that coupon goes to Platin Fernandez. So congratulations guys, if you are in this list, a huge congratulations to you. You're going to receive a special 10% coupon which you can use at the Nexdigitron website to purchase yourself a Ace 2 GPS dashcam. Do note that this coupon is going to be a one-time use coupon and should be used by April 10th last. So all you need to do is connect with me on my Facebook DM in order to get yourself your special coupon. So these were the winners of the free giveaway contest, and I'm really happy and excited for all of you. Not only for the fact that these winners got some really cool prizes, the next prize is going to be even bigger, and you can participate in the next free giveaway which I will be starting up pretty soon. I will put up all the details of the next giveaway contest on my channel. So you need to make sure that you're following me on my channel by hitting that subscribe button and also hitting that like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.